Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add taxes on Clover, which is useful for managing sales tax in your retail or restaurant business. So yeah, make sure that you have access to your Clover dashboard to follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do on your web dashboard is you will of course log into your Clover account, and on the bottom left navigation you will select account and setup, and then under the business operations you will select taxes and fees. And then after that, you will select add tax rate or flat fee, and then you will enter a name for the tax or fee. And then you will select an option. So for a tax, you will choose tax percentage and enter the tax rate, and for a fee, you will choose flat fee and enter the fee amount. And then this is optional, but you could also select default to apply this tax or fee to all items with default taxes and fees turned on, and the tax will be automatically charged at checkout. And then after that, you will just have to click save. And if you want to add tax exemption rules for specific items, you can do this as well. So on your web browser again, go to your Clover account, and then you will select account and setup, and then under the business operations, you will select taxes and fees, and then select rules by order type, and then you will select create exemption rule, and then you will type in a name for your tax or fee rule. And then after that, create your tax or fee rule using the drop down menus, which is use the select an order type drop down menu and select the order type to apply the tax or fee rule. Use the select tax rates or fees drop down menu and select the check boxes next to the tax rates or fee you want to exempt. So this is optional as well, but you can select items to designate specific items to apply the tax or fee exemption rule. And once you're done, just select done and select save after all that. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.